Hi, team. I just wanted to let you know for uploading your YouTube videos, you just want to upload it to the shared drive. So once you're in your Google Drive, click on Shared Drives, and we're going to be using the AoP Tech Team drive that everyone should have access to. If you're having issues or it's not appearing, just send me a quick email. And then you're going to select the team videos. Once you have that open, I recommend that you save your video onto your laptop to make it easy to either drag and drop or locate it. So you can either click on New and then File Upload, and then search for your file. So here I have Mail Merge for Google Docs. I'm going to double click on that. And then it should take about a minute or two for it to populate into the folder. And that's all there is to it. If also you have it saved on your desktop, you can also just drag and drop it into the folder here and upload it, and it should do the same thing. Just a couple reminders for your videos when you're naming your video. Please make sure it's a good topic specific name so that anybody searching for it can easily find it. And also make sure that it is in one of the valid file formats for YouTube. I also put the link into this page that will help you out. If you have any questions, please reach out to Anthony or myself, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks.